Okay, just so you know, I deleted the video. Okay, please.
Gone potatoes. Gone potatoes.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel
And say gone potatoes.
and in the comments below,
And watch a video called Gone Potatoes.
say "Gone Potatoes."
Yeah, and watch that
And
video.
please-
It's awesome.
And please subscribe
To Gone Potatoes.
to my channel
And
and drop a like and turn on notifications and my friends
Gone Potatoes.
and my friend's YouTube channel, Water Cup.
Gone Potatoes.
No, it's Water Cup Gaming. And my older sister's channel,
Maria Marshmallow Kitties.
yeah, Maria Marshmallow Kitties.
And called Gone Potatoes.
It's the best I could come up with.
Potato. And this
Upcoming video.
channel was supposed to be called Gone Potato, but it wasn't because he already uploaded one.
No, I didn't. No, it wasn't.
Well, yeah, it was supposed to, but he ran out of ideas.
And also watch my other videos. I don't have that many.
Like Gone Potato. Oh yeah, like, hey, skip me, boss.
This is my favorite saying. Fix it, do it, accidentally unscrew it.
I have a toilet roll. A paper towel roll.
Accidentally unscrew it.
No, we could do like the poo, like, screw it. Unscrew it. Let the toilet do it.
Finally, I can hear some fireworks.
And
Look,
finally-
guys, the fireworks are getting really
finally you
good.
Let me sing Gone Potatoes. Gone potatoes.
Okay.
Gone potatoes, potatoes. Gone potatoes. Gone potatoes, potatoes. Gone potatoes. Gone potatoes,
Fix it.
potatoes.
Do it.
Gone
Accidentally unscrew
Gone
it. Okay,
potatoes.
guys,
Gone
please stop.
potatoes. And say gone potatoes. Gone potatoes. What?
And accidentally balloon it.
And stop.
Ow.
Ow, that hurts. You gonna get one? You like them? You like them? Okay. I don't really like them. God, potatoes! Go, go!
Okay, I might drop my phone. So please.
Fix it, undo it, accidentally unscrew it.
That is not how it goes.
Great voice.
Fix it, do it, accidentally screw it.
Yeah, I think we do. What?
Wait, please don't. Please don't show your cool
Dang.
emoji.
Guys, follow me on Twitter and Instagram right now. I really want to go on like Facebook or Twitter, but like I'm not old enough. That's the problem.
You shouldn't do it because there's no point.
There is a point.